Brayton just won a Rubik's Cube contest and got a cool prize.
Let me guess, your prize was another boring Rubik's Cube.
I wish. They only gave me $1,000 and a free trip to Hawaii.
Hawaii?
Yup, and I can take anyone I want. And guess what?
What?
I'm not taking you, and there's nothing you can do about it, little boy.
Ethan felt jealous of Brayton's Rubik's Cube skills, so he decided to learn how to solve one himself.
Anything Brayton can do, I can do better.
But he quickly found out that it was way harder than it looked. Frustrated, he took off the stickers and put the colors back in order.
Oh, this gives me an idea. Hey, Brayton, let's make a bet.
I'm listening.
If I solve that Rubik's Cube in 10 seconds while spinning around, you gotta take me to Hawaii.
Okay, and if you can't, you have to admit that I'm bigger and stronger than you.
Deal. Ah, woo! I'm done.
What? How you do